Good morning. This is Dr. T.A. Sundaravadivel, and in this video we are going to see the product development stage of new product development. Okay. So the product development stage consists of developing the product concept into a finished marketable product. Already we have designed and went for analysis and so many things, so many stages we have crossed, and after that now we came to a conclusion that we are going to make a new product of this kind and it should have these features, everything we are deciding, and we are going for making a finished product. So in this stage the R&D or engineering department converts a product concept into a physical product. So finally we are going to get a physical, we are going to make a physical product. Up to this stage it was in the design phase. Now in this stage that physical product has been made. So this step involves a huge jump in the investment, as it shows whether or not the product idea can be turned on a workable product or not. Okay. So the R&D department tries to design a prototype to satisfy customer needs and excite them in buying the product, and also can be produced quickly within the budget. Okay, so this can be done by two ways. One is Agile methodology. Agile methodology means this is the schematic of Agile methodology, that is continuous design. Okay, design, build, test, review, and then launch. After launch, if there is any improvement needed, for example, in that product, instead of M10 bolt, if we want to have M12 bolt, so in that occasion M12 bolt can be put, and then once again it is further taken for the test. So like that it is a continuous process. Improvement over improvement will be found here. This is called as Agile product development phase. Whereas another methodology is also available, that is called as waterfall methodology, waterfall model. In the waterfall model, what happens? The analysis phase is there. In the analysis phase, completely all the stakeholders will approve that design and analysis. Then it goes for design. In the design phase, that stakeholders who are all depends on the design phase, they will approve it completely, and then it will go for implementation. So like that, like a waterfall it will go. That's what this takes the name as waterfall model. Waterfall was immensely popular prior to year 2000, and it is still widely used now. It is particularly useful for project management and dealing with agencies. Its beginnings may be tracked back to the software developers perfecting the steps of hardware development in order to build software. So what is the difference between Agile methodology and waterfall? The main difference between Agile and waterfall is that the waterfall approach breaks down the project into linear sequential phases. Okay, so each phase begins when the previous one is completed, and there is no overlapping in the stages. This is the important thing. So one by one, stage by stage, everything will be completed and everything will be fulfilled. Then only it will be taken to the next phase. So this is waterfall model. Whereas in Agile methodology, what happens? Agile divides a project into sprints and promotes continuous development and testing in the product development process. So these are the two major things in the product development. Thank you.